Household problems and repairs. Listen and practice.
Plumber. The bathtub is leaking. The sink is clogged. The hot water heater isn't working. The toilet is broken. Roofer. The roof is leaking. House painter. Painter. The paint is peeling. The wall is cracked. Cable TV company. The cable TV isn't working. Appliance repair person. The stove isn't working. The refrigerator is broken. Exterminator. Pest control specialist. There are termites in the kitchen. There are fleas in the kitchen. There are ants in the kitchen. There are bees in the kitchen. There are cockroaches in the kitchen. There are rats in the kitchen. There are mice in the kitchen. Locksmith. The lock is broken. Electrician. The front light doesn't go on. The doorbell doesn't ring. The power is out in the living room. Chimney sweep. The chimney is dirty. Home repair person. Handyman. The tiles in the bathroom are loose. Carpenter. The steps are broken. The door doesn't open. Heating and air conditioning service. The heating system is broken. The air conditioning isn't working.
Page 31. Model conversation. Listen and practice the conversation.
What's the matter?
The bathtub is leaking.
I think we should call a plumber.
Page 31. Additional conversations. Now listen to the additional conversations and then practice them using any words in the lesson you wish.
I'm having a problem in my apartment.
What's the problem?
The paint is peeling.
Can you recommend a good plumber?
Yes, you should call Peter's Plumbing Company.